Welcome to your washer and dryer tutorial. At any moment, please feel free to pause or fast forward this video to any instructions that suit your request. Input any liquid detergent in the dispenser on the top left-hand corner of the washer. For any detergent pods, simply place them in the drum of the washer before you input your clothes and shut the door. You will then push the on button located on the bottom left corner near the compartment. Once it's turned on, you will need to select the proper spin cycle, temperature, and settings in that order. To do this, use the rotating knob to select the right spin cycle and push the middle button. Repeat twice more for the temperature and settings. Quick tip, each apartment will have a washer guide that shows the meaning of each settings. Once you've set it, press the start or play button that is lit on the bottom right corner and let your washer machine do the work. Operating your dryer will also be similar to the washer machine. Simply load your clothes inside the dryer and close the door. Then turn on the dryer and select the desired settings the same way you did with the washer by rotating the knob and pressing the middle button. Once complete, you will press the start button and your dryer will begin to spin. Here are some tips and tricks on how to maintain your washer and dryer. This will help ensure that both your washer and dryer continue to work more efficiently and effectively. Fun fact about your washer, it is also a self-cleaning machine. When you select the spin cycle, make sure it is set on a clean washer as seen here. When selecting the cycle, please make sure the washer is completely empty and free from any clothing or fabrics. Once selected, press the middle button to lock it in and then press the start button. We recommend doing this at least once a month or however often you would like to do it. Along with the self-cleaning, please also make sure that the lip of the washer is also wiped clean and free from any debris. We also recommend leaving your washer door open to air dry to avoid any water residue smell. For your dryer, there are two lint compartments you want to make sure you clear out. The first one is located inside the dryer. Pull it out and open the lint trap and completely clear it of any debris and lint. This should be done after every cycle. To place it back, ensure that the small space on the lint trap is lined with a compartment in the dryer. The second lint trap is located on the bottom left corner of the dryer. Use the handle to pull the object out. Take the black sponge-like square and clean it with a simple washcloth or with soap. Once it's cleaned and dried, place it back in the compartment with the handle placed down and close the compartment door. Your apartment will also have a quick reference guide that goes over detailed information as well. Above the washer and dryer, you will notice a device that says flood stop. You want to make sure that this is placed in the open position at all times. This device is also connected to a sensor that will alarm you for when it detects moisture or a water leak. When moisture or water is detected, it will set off an alarm and the light will turn red. To silence the alarm, simply press the mute button and contact your maintenance team for further instructions.